invite Dr. Sadia Paul, Professor Paul, to please come, and she will take the proceedings from here. Professor Paul, please.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome everybody. I'm so honored to have the stellar people, the stellar gynecologists and professors from all over Pakistan here. It's a great honor to have you in my city. So I'm not going to say anything much, just that I'm very happy to have you all here. You've heard enough all day, and we have, all I'm going to tell you is that we want to honor somebody today. We do not have a chief guest who is going to be a politician or even from other specialities. We had a big debate about it for months and months, and then we decided to have it like a surprise, and our chief guest is no other than Professor Rashid Latif Khan. So I don't think he needs to stand up even because everybody knows him. And since the time he has arrived in this hotel, selfiyan ho rahi hain. Everybody is, lining up to have pictures taken with him. As you can see, the brief bio profile, and we introduced him in the morning as well. He's really the father of IVF in Pakistan. The first IVF baby, the first IVF center, and a teacher of teachers. I think virtually every doctor in this hall has been taught by him directly or indirectly through his books. And the Lahorites are particularly lucky because they work directly with him, in clinical training, in the lectures. And to this day, I'm told, and correct me if I'm wrong, the people who are still working with him, he still does a clinic, which is like a charity clinic. I mean, he's not really charging his fee. And I'm told by postgraduate students that he regularly has a morning meeting, a clinical tutorial, where he even offers them breakfast and a cup of tea. Is that true? Yes. So that's really, really commendable. So I won't take more time. I have a request. Dr. Azra, we have a small token of thank you for Professor Rashid. And would you like to say a few words, sir? Wahin se aap bol rahe hain aapke liye. But we would like you to stand up and say it. Wonderful. Thank you.
मुझे सादिया ने कहा कि वहीं से बोल दो। मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं यहाँ से बोलूँगा। वजह सिर्फ ये थी कि यहाँ आने का मकसद सादिया का हाथ भी पकड़ना था। सबसे पहले तो मैं कॉन्सेप्ट इनफर्टिलिटी क्लिनिक को मुबारकबाद देता हूँ कि वो 23 साल से, ये मुश्किल काम है, बहुत मुश्किल काम है, इसमें लगे हुए हैं। आसान नहीं, दे मस्ट हैव हैड सो मैनी डिफ़िकल्टीज ऑन एन रूट, लेकिन फिर भी परसवेरेंस इज़ द वर्ड. You persevere, you keep at it, keep doing it, and eventually God will bless you with success, which you have now. Second, this is first international conference. I think we have reached this stage rather late. We should have been doing this many years ago, because spreading this knowledge and information and alleviating that phobia, this is our responsibility. Those who are working in the clinics, they know the difficulties, they know as cultural and social taboos. So this is our responsibility. So this is the first international, I hope, concept, and other centers also will join hands with them to have it a regular fashion, regular concept meetings. Second is, organizing a conference is not easy. Just small difficulty, which you mentioned just now, that hall was handed over to you at 7, when you were supposed to start the function at 7. So these logistics, they make things difficult for you and for us. And in spite of that, inviting so many international guests, and they have really elevated the standard of scientific presentations, for which, on your behalf and on my behalf, I thank them all for participating in this conference. You know, generally speaking, it is said that for 1 million population, you need one IVF center or fertility center. Pakistan has population of nearly 200 million. So practically we need 200 IVF or infertility centers. Whereas from Peshawar to Karachi, if we count them all, maybe there are only 20. So we have to go long way in providing service to infertile couples. For that, all of us will have to join hands and push this service forward so that it is available in smaller cities and even villages. For that, I would request Concept to set up a model hub and spoke, that this is your headquarters here. Have small centers spread out so that their preliminary workup is done and then they are referred for final stages of IVF treatment to Karachi, which will make it possible for the patients, and also we will be able to make a dent into the large number who need your services. During his presentation, Dr. Shakur, he mentioned husband brought 3 wives sitting there in the clinic and 4th, younger one with him in the clinic. So married nearly 4 times and still not have a baby. From that I remember a story. My wife's uncle, he was in New York negotiating Indus Basin Treaty, and so he was there for many months. So he used to narrate a story that he was traveling by train. He went to the restaurant car and there were no seats, but 2 ladies were sitting and the seat, 3rd seat was available. So he asked them, "May I join you?" They said, "Sure." He sat there. The 2 ladies were discussing their husbands and all social things like that. And then suddenly one of them turned around, "Hey man, are you married?" And this uncle of my wife pondered for a few seconds. He said, "But only half married." They said, "What do you mean by half married?" He said, "I'm a Muslim, I'm allowed 4, I have only 2. So the man who came to you with 4, he was fully married. And this is a normal story, everyday story. So finally, I must thank Sadia and her team for giving me this great honor. I feel it is a great honor. I'll cherish this all the time and hope that we'll join hands to spread this good work all over the country. Thank you very much.
इंशाल्लाह
डॉक्टर साहब प्लीज,
चलें हम आपको
आपकी प्लीज